Hey guys, I'm Jules Harper. I'm the founder of the Four Walls Group at Keller Williams Realty here in Marietta, Georgia. Today we're starting a new series that dives into some of the most common questions our team comes across when we talk about real estate and home ownership. We're going to cover one question each week by talking to real people here in our community, finding out what they know or don't know about the topic, and then trying our best to fill in any details or missing information. It's hard to make a good decision without good information, so our intent with this series is to provide solid information to our viewers in order to boost confidence and comfort when thinking about buying a new home. It's a big decision after all, and one you should definitely go into well armed with proper knowledge. The topics that we're going to cover are: number one, how much do you need for a down payment when purchasing a home? Number two, what is the minimum credit score needed to qualify for a mortgage loan? Number three, at what point in your home shopping process should you begin speaking with a lender? Number four, do you need a real estate agent to buy a house? Number five, how much do you pay that real estate agent to represent you when buying a house? And number six, what is this whole guaranteed offer thing that we see about on billboards and in commercials and everything else? If you have any real estate questions you've just been dying to know the answer to, send us a message or comment below and we'll address your question in an upcoming video. Thanks again, and to start the series off, we will begin with the question, how much do you need for a down payment when purchasing a home? Let's go.
My name is Jules with the Four Walls Group at Keller Williams Realty, and we're out here for an episode of our YouTube channel. And just want to talk with you about some real estate related questions. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Awesome. What's your name?
Jackie.
Hey, Jackie.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Do you currently own or rent a home?
No.
No. Okay. Do you stay with family?
Yes.
Okay. Awesome. So maybe in the future,
Yes.
you'll be a homeowner.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, with the process, what do you think you would have to put down, or how much do you think you'd have to put down on a house in order to purchase?
$250,000.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. No,
At least around here it is.
it is. Well, that sounds like the average price for a home, but if you're financing a home and you're getting a loan, you can actually put down as little as 0%, in some cases 3%, just depending on the type of loan.
Oh wow, okay,
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
It's pretty awesome.
I'm Tamika with the Four Walls Group at Keller Williams Realty. What's your name?
Andrea, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Andrea. We're doing a episode for our YouTube channel. I wanted to ask you a few questions about home ownership. Do you currently own or rent your home?
Not currently, no.
Okay, do you live with family?
Yes, I
Okay,
do.
fantastic. You college student?
Yes.
Awesome. You go to KSU?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
There you go.
That was going to be my next question. Okay, awesome. So you live close by?
Yes.
Okay, well, I'll just get into the questions. What do you think is the minimum down payment that you have to put down on a home?
I'd say maybe close to like 4,000, 5,000. I'd say for like a minimum down payment for rent or anything like that, or
Okay.
housing.
Okay. Actually, the minimum down payment could be as low as $0.
Oh really? Oh my
Yeah.
god, I did not know that actually.
There are different loan products like USDA or VA loans where you can put down as little as $0.
Hey, I'm Zach Brinkley. I'm
Hi.
with Four Walls Group in Keller Williams Realty. It's nice to meet you.
You too.
So we're doing an episode of our YouTube channel out here today, and we're just going to answer some questions about home ownership.
Okay.
All right, so first we'll start off with, do you own your home or do you rent your home?
We own.
You own your home? Okay, awesome. How much do you think you need to put down on a home when you're purchasing one?
I think we did like 3%.
3%? Okay, yeah. Well, with a conventional loan, they might offer or ask you up to 20%. With an FHA loan, it could be 3, 3.5, somewhere in there. And certain USDA loans and VA loans and other first-time home buyer programs allow you 0% down.
Oh wow.
What about down payment? How much do you guys think you need to put down for a house? 20%.
You're talking about
Well-
credit score or percentage?
No, the down payment.
Oh.
Like 20%. 20%. So that might be true with something like a conventional loan, but FHA offers as low as 3.5%, and certain USDA loans offer 0%.
Really?
Yeah, or if you're in the military or if you have military experience, VA loan, 0% down.
As far as owning a house, you've already purchased. how much do you think you have to put down on a house to buy?
What is it, 20%?
I think there's some, for first-time home buyers, there's some programs where you can do less, but what I've heard is it's financially a smart idea. If you cannot put down more than 20%, that's too much house for you right now.
Yeah, no, you're absolutely correct, right? So there are programs, putting 20% down is fantastic, gets you away from private mortgage insurance and things like that, but for folks that just want to get started with home ownership, there are programs that offer as little as 5% down, 3% down, even sometimes nothing down. Okay? And the cool thing about that is that once you get in a very short period of time, you also have the option to maybe refinance that loan into a 20% type of deal so that you get rid of some of the mortgage insurance. Yeah, so it's pretty cool.
Hey guys, welcome back. So to wrap up, clearly there are several programs out there that provide options to get into a home for as little as 3% down, and in some cases even 0%. We have mortgage companies that are willing to work with you. If you comment below to this video, we'll be sure to reach out to you and get you in touch with those folks to help better understand exactly what the options are. Till next time, we'll see you later. Thanks.